Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to be reviewing the operation topics for our Backhoe tamper attachment. Position the backhoe parallel with the tracks. Lower the outriggers. Tamp the outside of the tie closest to the backhoe. Plunge the tools down in the ballast as far as they can go. Squeeze the tools together, and while squeezing them closed, raise the tamper up to compact the ballast under the ties. You want to try to replicate the motion of a Jackson 6700 tamper. Rotating the tamper while plunging into the ballast will make it go down easier into hard ballast. This rotating of the tamper should only be done while off track. Once the tie is tamped on the inside and outside of the rail closest to the backhoe, use the E-stick and extend the stick out to reach the inside and outside of the rail farthest away from the backhoe. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.